Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you where to find the save game files and config file for WWE 2K26 on PC. First, open File Explorer on your computer. Then go to this PC and open the drive where Steam is installed. In most cases, Steam is installed in the C drive. Next, open Local Disk C, then go to Program Files x86 and find the Steam folder. Open it. Inside the Steam folder, scroll down and look for the userdata folder. Then open it. Here you will see one or more folders with numbers. These are your Steam ID folders. Open your Steam ID folder. If there are multiple folders, choose the one with the most recent modified date. After opening it, find the folder named 7 and open it. Then, open the Remote folder. Inside this folder, you will find the WWE 2K26 save game files. If you don't find the files there, you can check another location. Open this PC, go to C drive, then open Users and open your username folder. Now open AppData. Then open the local folder and find the WWE 2K26.old folder. This folder may also contain game data. To find the config file, open File Explorer again and go to the Documents folder. Here, open the WWE 2K26 folder, and inside you will find the config file. That's where the save files and config file for WWE 2K26 are located on PC. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.